Hi viewers, welcome you all to Share Simple Science. Start the day with science, end the day with science, and spend the day with Share Simple Science. Nice quote, no? Greetings of this day, dear children. I hope you are following the videos which I am uploading now and then, and they'll be really interesting for you. Kindly subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and some of the viewers have not yet subscribed. I request you all to subscribe the channel, and I thank all the viewers as well as subscribers for subscribing and viewing Share Simple Science. Thank you. Today we will discuss about wild animals, children. I hope all of us are aware of the wild animals, isn't it? Who are living in the jungle, forest. First wild animal is the king of the jungle. Who is called as king of the jungle? Lion. And how do you identify the lion? It has light golden brown hair, and there is a tuft of hair which is present around the neck, which is called as mane. Thus you're going to identify it. And having legs, ears, eyes, nose, and all these are common features, including a tail. Now what is an amazing fact of the lion? Its roar. Roar is nothing but a sound what it makes. It's a wild animal and is very ferocious to see, and the roar which it gives out, the sound, can be heard about 5 miles away. That means almost around 10,000 feet away. So it is so far, and all the other animals will be alert by the time when they can hear this sound of the roar. Another amazing fact of the lion is that it can sleep for about 20 hours in a day, children. It's really amazing and incredible, isn't it? What a royal sleep. Sleeping for 20 hours in a day. Oh my God, just can't imagine. And the remaining time it can go for hunting. It is so confident that, however, in that time it can go for preying one particular animal. It's going to have a very good meal, a festival of that killing, because it is a carnivore. It eats flesh of other animals. Second question, children. Which is the largest mammal on earth? Of course, it is elephant. Elephant is green color, you know about it, and it weighs around 3,000 to 5,000 kgs. So that's really amazing, isn't it? And a very typical character or adopted one of elephant is that the huge ears. The huge ears which are present on either side, they are waving. Now why do they wave is because to keep their body cool. And have you seen their walk, children? It's such a majestic walk. It has such a majestic walk, never cares for whoever comes on its way. It's very confident in its walk. So we have to appreciate the confidence of elephant really. So the wild animal, the others, that is the carnivores, which are the lion and the tiger, they'll move apart if they see the elephant, because elephant is a huge animal. Third question, which is the fastest moving animal on earth? Fastest animal on earth. It is cheetah. Cheetah runs around 100 kilometers per hour. It's really very fast, isn't it? No other animal can run so fast. And a typical character to identify cheetah is it has the spots. Compared to tiger and lion, the face is a little bit smaller than them, but it has very strong, strengthier legs because it has to run fast. It has that habit of running. And identifying a character is that it has a tear mark on its face. From the eyes, whatever the tear drops drop down, there is a path from the eye, the lower part here at the chin, and that is called as tear mark. So that is a typical character of cheetah. Next question, which is the tallest animal in the forest? Of course, it is giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal which has long legs and long neck. It is around 6 feet long. And very typical character of it is that it has a blue colored tongue, a tinge of blue. That is due to the pigmentation. Pigment is a substance which is present in the body to give coloration. For example, we are brown in color or dark brown in color or fair in color. That depends upon the concentration of a pigment which is called as melanin. Due to this concentration, the tongue color of the giraffe is said to be slightly bluish in color. And that may be due to it is trying to expose the tongue more towards the sun while it is feeding on the topmost layer of the trees. Because of that, due to any sunburn for the tongue, to avoid it, maybe it's a gift of God that it is having that color tongue. And another incredible feature of this is that the tongue can reach the ears. So it is going to spread out its tongue to reach both the ears so that it can clean sometimes. So that is really amazing factor of giraffe. Okay. Next question. The animal, which is the animal which can jump up to 10 feet high? Have you heard about any animal which is jumping so tall at such a height? It is deer. Deer is the animal which jumps. It can just bounce like a ball 10 to 12 feet high and again comes back. So it's a habit of the deer. It is a shy animal. Deer is a very shy animal and it seems it is a very good swimmer. Deers you can identify by the presence of horn. Sometimes small horns they have, or sometimes they have branched. So the color of it may be light yellowish color, sometimes they have spots on them. So they vary. They say nearly about deer are present on earth. Well, it's really a difficult task to identify those species. But a character which is really amazing is that it can jump up to a height of 10 to 12 feet. And it is a herbivore animal. Okay. Which is the animal which has stripes, yellow and black stripes, and belongs to the cat family? It's one of the largest cat, tiger. This particular tiger has vision which is very sharp. So it has a sharp vision. Sharp means finest vision, where from very far off it can try to visualize, especially when it is trying to go for hunting. And these animals go for hunting at night. These are called as nocturnal animals. So tiger, the pattern of stripes what it has, the black and yellow stripes what it has, they have that unique character where no two tigers can have it. So that is one of the important point to remember here with respect to tigers. Apart from that, the next thing is you can remember that it goes for hunting at night. These two are some of the typical characters of the tiger, and the vision especially at night. So we have to see at night means we use some torch or some light there. But these animals have some fluorescent in their eyes, usually the cat families, so they can move at night and they have that bright vision and the sharp vision. That is the point to be remembered. With the same character, that is about the stripes, we have another animal in the forest, but it is an herbivore. Can you name it? Any guesses? The animal which has distinct white and black stripes on its body, and that is one of the unique character of it. That is zebra, which belongs to this horse and donkey family, and it is a herbivore. It eats herbs. So the pattern of the stripes on zebra is so unique that no two zebras have the similar pattern of it. So same as that of tiger, this is also having that particular pattern of stripes. Next, another animal about the cat family, that is the leopard. Leopard appears to be similar to that of cheetah, but the marks on the body, that is the spots, are slightly different. The pattern is different compared to that of cheetah. And the leopards have the habit of climbing the trees, and they climb the mountains. They take rest on the trees or the mountains, rocks especially. But cheetahs won't do it. And the speed of leopard is around 50 to 58 kilometers per hour. These have quite longer body and shorter legs, but cheetahs have a very tough and strengthier body, and the legs are very lean, and they're going to support that body where it's going to go for fastness, that the movement of it very fast. So cheetahs are very fast. One half of the speed is maintained by leopards. Black panther also comes under this group of leopards. That is also a cat family only. Now all these wild animals, lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, panther, all these come under cat family. Big cat family we say. Because the domestic animal, what we see as a pet animal, not domestic, sorry, as a pet animal, that is the cat. A small cat it is, which we take care of it. So though these are called as wild cats, and they are large compared to that of the pet which we are going to see. Okay. Which is the intelligent animal in the forest? It is monkey. It has brain. If we train the monkeys, even they act like human beings. Maybe only with respect to speech, but understanding levels and the knowledge of it is same as man. Our ancestors, human being ancestors are these only. The monkeys, chimpanzees, gorillas. In the evolution we are going to see the sequence of all these animals. And finally the modern man, we who have the capacity to think, have come up. So we know what is right and what is wrong. So one of the intelligent animal in the forest is monkey. Okay. I think all these questions about the wild animals you have understood with the typical or amazing character of them. I hope you don't have any doubt in them because they're very simple. And we will discuss about some more questions on animals in the coming videos, which will be truly interested for you. Not only about animals, about the plants. We will discuss about the discoveries, the inventions. We can even think about or have a discussion with the space and many more things, day-to-day activities. So if you are interested, if you like the video, kindly share, comment on them, and you subscribe the video. Thank you very much. Thank you for viewing this video.